We just got a letter. We just got a letter. We just got a letter.
Wonder who it's from.
Love is in your soul. Your price is higher than gold.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if this is the first time seeing my beautiful wonderful face, I am Sasha. Thank you so much for clicking on this video, and for all my returning subscribers, thank you for joining me and clicking on this video. So let's get this show on the road. Okay, so by the title you know what I'll be doing today. I'm going to be doing a unboxing video. Today I'm going to be doing an unboxing video from this camera that I just come back after getting it, so I'm just going to do the unboxing right now because I want to see if everything is up to par, and you know, if not, let them do whatever they need to do. So yeah, I love jibber jabbing. As you know, I love to do baking videos, and sometimes I need like a backup camera to show like the footage of things that's going on. So I thought this small little camera would do a good job of that. Don't want to show much, so this is it. So this is a Akasso EK7000 camera. It's a small action camera, and yeah, I've been thinking of getting it, so I finally did. So I want to see what it's like. So I'm just doing the unboxing. Took a while, my gosh. Yeah, finally got the box to open. Ooh, that's it. Oh, I got the receipts. First thing I'm seeing is the receipts and a gift. Something about a gift, I don't know what that is. Ooh. We just got a letter. We just got a letter.
We just got a letter.
We just got a letter. We just got a letter. Wonder who it's from. Guys, you remember that song growing up? So this is how it come packaged. So I'm gonna take it out. Oh, just did it like this. I thought you were going to see the actual camera, but this is how it looks. Don't know if you want to hear what's written on it, but it just said Ultra HD 4K edition, integrated wireless. It's wireless connection. It's waterproof as well. It has a waterproof case, remote control, that yada yada yada. Don't want to hear about that right now. I want to get into it. How do I open this thing? I need a tool. I think guys, just okay, and next, let me do this off camera. Just take out the seal. So I had to use a knife to cut the seal. So just gonna pull it right now. Ooh. Can't believe it, guys. This is how it in this small box here. Look at, they start to package it very different, you know. And then inside here is the other things that we'll be needing. The batteries that I see on review videos, other review videos. I've been watching some videos and they show you like everything that comes in this thing here. This is the case, like to repair. When I take this out, you're going to see what I'm talking about. But they put an extra case, which is very handy. You have a strap. I wonder what this strap is for. I don't know. What is this? So please check. Please check this seal before you use the battery. If you see void, please return product. So why shouldn't I open this then? What is this? Battery is it the battery? I don't think it is. Anyway, moving on. Guys, guys, I don't know the names of these things, okay? Like, I just got the thing and I'm just seeing them and I have to go read them. These are some of the things that came in it. To the side here, there's a tripod holder for it. Like, I have my small tripod, you can just screw it onto the top and put the camera into it. Handy. You have to go and look for anything to hold it in. And center comes like a few different things in here, so guys, like a whole lot of things that comes with it. Probably get back to that later. I just want to see how this baby, this bad boy works, so they call it. So yeah, taking it out of this box. Them I get cheap because I know some see them in do it. Them still like a thing under here to kind of get it out. So I'll have to be careful. Let me do this off camera. So I thought doing this up close would be so much better for you guys and doing a voiceover while doing so. So this is how it looks in the waterproof case. And these are the buttons. You have the select button, the power button, the up and down button. So later on I'm going to go into further details as to how these buttons work. Now I'm just going to show you how to take it out the waterproof case, which is so easy as shown. So you just lift off the tab and it comes off so easy, and you remove the back and then you just kindly tap the case to get the camera out, and this is it. It is plastic, of course, it isn't metal, but it's so light and small to carry around. Nobody knows, like, if you're gonna take this for a vlogging camera, although it's an action camera and it's also like a imitation of the GoPro, you're still able to use it as a camera to do videos for, like, vlogs if you want, because I know I'm gonna vlog with it. I don't know about anybody else that has this, and I'm also going to use it when I'm doing my baking video. So this is what comes in the compartment where the battery is supposed to fit, and it just shows you where the battery is supposed to go. So the box with the white box was the batteries, and it comes with 2 batteries. Can you believe it? 2 batteries, which is so good. So you just find where the 3 little metals are, then you align it in the camera. That's where the battery would fit, if I'm making any sense right here. So easy to go in. And yeah, by right you're supposed to use a 30 gig memory card, but a 4 gig is what I had at the time to use, and this is how I insert it in. And you have to ensure it clicks properly for it to go down, of course. So the button that I'm showing you with my finger is the power button. You have to press down on it in order for it to turn on, and this is how it looks when you start up your camera. So I'm just going to show you an example of how I record and how it looks while recording, and also how it looks while taking a picture. On camera it looks bright and weird, but in real it's not like that. So yeah, this is how it looks while taking a video. It's very small, but you'll get used to it over time if you are an owner as well of this camera, are interested. Yeah, but I'm still getting a feel of how it works. So this is how I get into where the video is after I finish recording it. So now I'm just selecting on the video icon to retrieve the video we just recorded, and this is how it looks. So if you notice, it's slightly bent, like it's not like regular cameras. That's just because it is a 170 degrees wide angle lens that's on this camera here, so things are looking a bit more further than what they actually are, if I'm making sense. So you're basically seeing like a 170 degrees angle, okay, if you know your maths. So yeah, now I'm just showing you how I turn it off. So the same power button to turn it on, that's what we use to turn it off. So now I'm just showing you guys how it looks in the waterproof case. So you just turn the lens down in the case and close the tab, and the top part, that's the top flap or flap, I don't know what you call it. So you just press it down for it to close securely. So you know the waterproof case can record in water, of course, if you're a swimmer or you're an adventurist, is that what you call them? This is the camera for you as well. So the same buttons you have when it's out the case, that's the same button, the same here as you would find the buttons, of course. So I'm just going into settings to show you all the features that come within the settings options. You can change the resolution, the exposure, the time and date, and all of that good stuff. So as I said, you're gonna have a lot of videos here on YouTube you can get more information on. So I'm just showing you guys how it looks after taking a picture. And yeah, like on this camera it doesn't look as pretty, but let me tell you, this little camera, as cheap as it is, it does wonders. So let me know in the comment section if you want me to do a more in-depth detailed video for this little camera here. And yeah, So now I'm showing you a close-up of all the items that came in the box with this small camera. So this is where you would charge the batteries, and as I said before, I love that they put in 2 batteries with this camera. Like 2 batteries come with this camera, so when one die you have the other, so you can record all your stuff. So yeah, these are the items that came with it. I know some of them I'm still learning about, but I know that little blue cloth is to wipe the lens, to wipe the back of the camera. Then these are the parts to if you have a bicycle and you want to record on your bicycle, you have the mounts, is that what they're called, and you have that sticker to help to mount your camera on your bicycle helmet. And then you have yeah, like I'll put in the description box of a video you can go and check out to hear further information as to how these mounts and so forth works.
I think so now make it sitting bigger.
How many are you going?
Them that team, that no word thing.
I don't know where it is.
You know what?
I'm about to put a belly temper. Maybe I am. Your hands, are you?
Oh, you know better. Yeah, put up a sentence for me, just what I say.
No, you're saying we are.
Let's do that for me, man.
Yeah, it comes.
No.